Stop. Do not fall for it. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 3061 of What You Up To Now. This is where we document the journey as I originally moved from the brick and mortar corporate world of businesses for a quarter century in corporate America, owned and operated and sold and divested myself of 27 businesses over the course of my career before I came online. And since I've come online, done all kinds of crazy things. And the most crazy now, but the best, is joining the school platform. And on the school platform, I am creating a Supersize Your Business community. It's free to join, just ask. And as part of that, we're doing an annual challenge, Supersize Your Business annual challenge and Supersize You annual challenge. This is my 9th year doing annual challenges. So we show up every day, we pick one thing, we focus on the 9-part life framework that I teach everybody. And we just do a little thing, because guess what? If we do one little thing for ourselves every day and to make us a little bit better, we are at least 365 ways better by the end of the year than if we had just lived our life and not done anything intentional. So today I learned a new word for the Supersize challenges, and it is proprioception. Basically what it means is our ability to know our place and our balance in the world without using our vision or depending on our vision. So it's how do we balance, and how do we have our internal GPS of knowing where we are in the world without necessarily seeing. Really right up my alley. So I learned a new word today. I always like it when I learn a new word. I actually pulled 2 cards today. Belief the Flame and Creative Attraction, the Magnet. So these are both really good messages for me today. I've been having fun pulling these cards. So I've been doing them every day. I do it before I create my content every day, because it gives me a positive focus and something to think about. And that always makes me feel good. Do you have things that you do every single day, little rituals and habits that you build into your life so you automatically show up better in your businesses and in your life and in your relationships and in every area and aspect of your life? It's really not that hard once you get into the habit of attaching things that you want to the habits you already have versus just having bad habits. We all have some bad habits, right? I like caramels. I love caramel. Caramel anything. I think that's not a super bad habit, but it's one I don't want to indulge in a lot. Or I'll weigh 400 pounds. Do I want to weigh 400 pounds? No, I'm 5'1.5". That would be terrible. That would be way worse than when I was pregnant. Which I thought I was as big around as I was tall back then. So today I am working on my Supersize School. I am doing some tweaks and changes to that to see if I can get some more people to join. It's free. So if you got a business and you're successful and you've been in business a while, it's a great community to be in. And I'm actually offering and creating a mastermind right now that I am bringing people into on a founder basis. So if that's something, if you're not, I'm looking for different industries, people from all kinds of different industries, because that's my forte. That's where I shine, is facilitating among different industries. Why? Because secretly, it's one of the fastest, easiest ways to gain a competitive advantage in your industry is by learning from other industries. And almost nobody does that. I don't know if anybody teaches it, but I sure do. All right, what else is going on? I am in a coaching program myself, which is part of why I'm doing this mastermind. I've been challenged to do more and show up more. And I'm cool with that. I'm more than happy to. It gives me a sense of purpose and the ability to help, because my favorite thing is, how can I help? How can I help you? And that's why I say at the end of almost every video, if you've got a question, just ask. There's another lesson learned. Why do I do that? Because I learned a long time ago the power of asking for help, asking questions. It just makes life so much easier, less stressful, and we get stuff done so much faster. All right, that's all I've got today. If I can help you in any way, the sun's shining, I want to get outside. Just ask. Otherwise, I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.